It's a beautiful morning for a delivery. Whoa! That frost is growing fast. My plow can't even dent this hoarfrost.
The road is a frozen forest of frost, and the supplies can't get through.
Don't worry, Jake. We're on our way. AW Patrol, to the lookout!
Good. Just a little early for the ice show. PAW Patrol, ready for action. Ryder, sir.
The hoarfrost is too thick for normal tires. We need the rescue wheels. Marshall, I need your rescue wheels monster truck heat blasts. Rubble, you'll clear the slush.
Ready for a red-hot rescue. Wow, that's a lot of ice spikes.
It's not melting fast enough. The wind is too cold.
Marshall, crank up the power to create a melt zone. Rubble, follow close to clear the slush. Time to bring the heat. Rubble on the double. No slush is too heavy for this shovel. Great work, pups. We're halfway there.
Watch out! It's a flash freeze!
I'll hold back the freeze. Go, Rubble! Gotcha! This tree isn't going anywhere. Perfect timing, Marshall. Now, let's get those supplies up the mountain. The way is clear. Mission accomplished. You did it, pups. The supplies are here. Great job, team. These supplies will keep the mountain safe for everyone.
You really brought the heat today, Marshall. You're a good pup.
Remember, always check for black ice and stay clear of frozen trees in the winter. Toasted to perfection. Just like our rescue.
Whenever you're in a frost, just yelp for help. Stay tuned for more Rescue Wheels adventures.
For our Echo, I mean, our Arctic heroes. I'm okay! Just checking the snow density!
Teamwork always brings the results we need.
Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Another possum job, pups.